Another cold day in Berlin, but I will take the chance because we have a little bit of sun to show you the new modifications on my Royal Enfield Classic 350. The most prominent change on the Classic 350 are the wheels. Completely new tires and rims. Gets a completely different look now. The new tires give the Classic 350 a little bit more rugged look. It's not that super classy anymore like the spoked wheels. But of course there's a reason why I changed to the alloy wheels. These are the original Royal Enfield alloy rims. Even they are of course a little bit more modern. I think they still look quite nice because of these polished parts, which look a little bit like spokes. The black fits very good, I think. Of course I prefer the spoked wheels because they give the Classic 350 a little bit more the classic look. But the advantage of these aluminium rims, first, they are much easier to clean than spoked wheels. But the main reason why I changed to these alloy rims is you can put some tubeless tires on it. And the advantage of tubeless tires is, in case you have a puncture and you are on a road trip, it's much easier to fix it than if you have tubes. And this is the main reason why I changed to these alloy rims, because of the possibility to put some tubeless tires on it. The tires I have on my Classic 350 are Heidenau tires. These are the K60. The tread of these tires is a little bit more in direction of off-road than on street usage, as you can see. It's quite rugged. So for gravel roads, sure, much better. It's also a good tire for winter season and of course for rain. Rear tire, it's also a Heidenau. This is a K60 Scout. And you can see the tread is quite rugged. And it looks quite cool, I think, on the Classic 350. Second thing I changed, it's not the seat. You already know I have the touring seat now. These handlebars, the original Royal Enfield handlebars, are 3.5 centimeters higher than the standard one. And this gives me a much more comfortable riding position because I can lean back a little bit more, sit more upright. And this is really perfect for me. Only downside of these handlebars is, in my opinion, they are black. I couldn't get them in chrome. I would prefer the look of the chrome ones, but it's okay, and I just bought them for my road trip in the next year. So 3.5 centimeters more up and a few millimeters wider, I think 4 millimeters wider. The riding position is much better, much more comfortable for me now, even if it's just 3.5 centimeters, but makes a big difference for me. And here you can see the next change that I did on the handlebars. The levers, I put some adjustable levers on it. I got them from Hitchcock's. Very comfortable. You can change the position 6 levels. So it depends if you want to have it a little bit closer or more far away. You can change the distance for your hands, so fits perfect for me now. Looks also a little bit more modern, but I think it's okay. It doesn't have this super classic look. But this is a modification that I did for my road trip, and of course road trip means not the priority for the looks, but for the practicality. And these adjustable levers, easy to change and give you a much better riding comfort. So these are the last modifications that I did on my Royal Enfield Classic 350. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I see you in the next one. Take care, ride safe, and cheers.